Ćao svima, ja sam Luka, dobrodošli u novi video. Danas u ovom videu, kao što sam i obećao na Instagramu, snimamo Far Cry 3. Snimat ću ceo gameplay zato što sam video da nije puno ljudi na Balkanu snimalo, tako da sam odlučio ja da snimim, da bi vi mogli da gledate. Postavio sam na Instagramu i da glasate da li da snimam South Park štap istine. Koliko mi se čini, većina je odgovorila da, tako da to ćemo vrlo vatno snimati, ali možda prvo završimo Far Cry 3. Nisam tačno siguran kad počinjemo sa South Parkom, ali snimit ćemo i to. Verovatno ako mi bude dosadila Far Cry 3, verovatno ću onda početi, ali šta god da se desi, Far Cry 3 ću završiti. Tako da, hajde da počnemo. New game. Idemo save van. Čuo sam da je teška igrica. Stavit ću na medium, pa ako bude baš bilo sranje, onda ćemo morati malo da smanjimo. Ali šta je to za mene lika vas, iako nisam igrao igricu nikad, znam nešto o njemu. Ali evo počinje, sad ću čutati.
Passed out. Hold the door! Yo, Jason, get in! Get in! They're crazy, Jay! I learned from the best! Yeah! Woo!
You boys think you're crazy, huh? Jumping out of airplanes, flying like birds. That is crazy. I like this phone. This is a nice fucking phone. So, what do we have here? Grant and Jason from California, huh? Well, I hope your mama and your papa really, really love you, because you two white boys, you look very expensive, and that's good because I like expensive things. I'm sorry, what did you say? What did you say? Do you want me to slice you open like I did your friend? Shut the fuck up! Okay? I'm the one with the fucking dick. Look at me. Look me in the fucking eye. Hey! You fuck! Look me in the eye. You're my bitch. I rule this fucking kingdom. Shut the fuck up, or you die. What is it, Jason? Jason, what is it? Why aren't you laughing now like you did up there? What, is this not fun anymore? Have I failed to entertain you? You see, the thing is, up there, you thought you had a chance. Way up in the fucking skies, you thought you had your finger on the pussy trigger. But hermano, down here. Down here. You hit the ground. It's okay. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna relax, because you, Hvala, and your tough guy brother, we're gonna have a lot of fun together while we wait for the money.
Stop scaring the hostages. I need you to take care of the rejects.
I just hope that you two pieces of fox are more entertaining than your friends. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. get you every fucking time, man. Fucker. You hurt? I don't think so. We have to find the others. How? Working on it. Cold guard. What? Cold guard. Do it. Hey, over here!
The fuck? Hey, you guys shut the fuck up!
Shit. Holy fuck, he's dead. That is what they teach you in the army. Follow me.
Poprilično sam siguran da ja imam polni organ muški. Zato što mi je to način na koji šiškiriškim. Ali sad da se fokusiramo na igricu. Na moje šiškiriške.
His parents are rich. We'll get more money for him than any of the others. Why do I always have to do this? Why is it always me that gets picked to do the bad things? It fucking sucks. I'm wet. Look at me.
Mokers. Oh, ne.
Shit. Dogs. Hold on. Stop.
Kerovi.
Going off. He's like you. Full of shit.
Stay quiet.
Fuck that door.
Ne smijem da ga zadavim ili nešto tako.
If you're going to give me that
Ne znam baš šta uče u vojsci, ali ako crnogorska Srbenda zna takve stvari da radi tako da davi, onda sam problemu. Upaljač, opa Milane. Aj pičiku. Piči, ajde požuri malo.
Damn, we need to get him out of our way. Throw a rock over there.
Ring ting, ring ting 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 ting. Gdje da roknem kamen? Tu možda, a? Opa.
What the? Okay, it worked. Let's move. Okay.
Aj šprintem. Ajde druže, požuri malo. Jao, majmune moj! Ok, ovo nije baš funkcionisalo.
Throw a rock over there. Okay.
Oh,
interesting. Okay, it worked. Let's move. Okay.
Okay, izgleda ja na pogrešno mjesto bacam. Opa, Milane. Evo, pa to je lim cigane. Sve ću biti. Pokupi nož. Ako, ne idemo nikad bez noža.
I can't do this, Grant.
Jay, look at me. I can't find Lisa and Riley and the others without you. So pull it together. Okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Cry some more.
Čujem vas. Hell.
Oh my god, there's so many of them, man. It's that psycho.
Što, ne mogu da se penjem? A, mogu. Samo što je moj ciganski brat spor. Jo, ne seri marihuana!
Yeah.
Mogu da pozajem.
We have to get past him. Throw a rock there.
Dikam, tamo, okej. Super aim. Tako. Čuli ste.
Alright. Let's go.
Ajde da pratim ja tebe. Da vidim jel ti znaš da bežiš iz ovih
It's our way out.
narkomanskih kampova. Eno, žene plaču. Najlepši zvuk. O ne, kidnapali su nam prijatelje. O ne, zagađuju prirodu. Pa dobro, šuškam.
I'm not afraid. No, please.
Okay.
Where are we?
Never should have made that jump alone. I promised Dad I'd take care of you two.
Does it say where Riley is?
We're gonna find him.
Bravo, majmune. Baš će neka random mapa pokazati gdje ti. Tako.
No! Stay with me, Grant! Please, don't die! Hold on, Grant, hold on!
Ma crkava.
Oh, God. No! Grant!
I like that. No, I respect that. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. And if this jungle doesn't eat you up alive, I will. Fucking death! I said, get the fuck out of here, you chicken fuck! Run, Forrest! Run!
Sprintujem. Mogu samo da se molim da ću preživjeti. Shit.
Oh, fuck!
Ovo malo podsjeća na početak Far Cry 5-ice. Zato što isto bude u neka šumetina i onda treba da se bežite, sve što tamo bežite sa kolima. Ok, ovo baš nije dobro. Ustani, molim te. Shit, evo ih iza mene još uvek. Na seriji jednoga i helikopter. Bravo, druž.
I gotta get out of here.
Pitch. Run, Forrest, run. Come on, boy. Opa, idemo, sprint. Ajoj. Intenzivno, ko na veće šolji. Opa, sprint, preko drveta sprintujem. Penji se. Climb, slim. Eno Jelena, ne seri neko rokno Jelena. Bravo, majmun. Opa, idemo. A, požuri, kerovi, požuri. Terorista. X. Uzmi nož. Ne, sad više nema vremena za nož. Sprintuj, ne! Ja, ovdje će biti sranje. Evo ga i heli. A, sprint! A vidi, ja nemam health, ja ne mogu da umrem. A pa onda to, kada vjerovatno mogu da umrem. Okej. Se sve udavite, druže. Evo, našli su me teroristi. Far Cry 3 Classic Edition. Družovi, nema kripa, šta su to još sad dođe ovo? Sad će me silovati teroristi, druže. First Blood. Shark skills, what the fuck?
Speaks to the warrior. The path leads to the heart of the jungle. Follow the path, and you will find the answer.
Ne, seri, druže, ko šta je ono? Druže, kakvi su okvara kundle?
Where am I? What the hell?
Crnac! Oh, bug.
Well, not all of you. The arm has been deadened to allow for the tatau. It is brave to swim a storm, but to sunbathe on a beach with pirates, insanity. You have the right to take my life. But no, I will also take yours. I am Dennis.
Jason.
Mangao. Lava lava. The heron, the shark, and the spider. I know who you are, Jason. You are a warrior. And the tatau will allow for you to reveal your true self.
Listen, my older brother has been killed. I need to find my younger brother and 4 other friends.
Come with me.
So you'll help me?
No, you can only help yourself. I am going to free you.
How did I get here?
I found you on the beach. Welcome to Amanaki village. It is something, isn't it, huh? Salamat, Tengahari. I have Jess and Brody with me. The man who escaped Vast Camp alive. Your escape is a sign that the battle has turned. Our people are in need of good news.
So, these are your people?
The island calls to the strongest. They called to me. The island dwellers, the RAKIJA, accepted. And I became a member of the tribe.
RAKIJA RATNIKE.
They are something, aren't they?
Beautiful, most definitely.
I could have anyone I choose. But my will is set on one woman. Here. Cash for weapons.
Oh,
You want to save your brother, right?
I've never shot anyone before.
What do they say in America? There's a first time for everything.
Druže, ja mislim da je evo šef. Samo čekam da postane nacista, druže. Ali RAKIJA ratnici? I ovaj kaže da može da ima koju devojku hoće, ali znam ja da on mene laže.
What would you like?
Tvoju mamu hoću. Izvinite za ovo. Obećavam se, opustit ću se.
Get those radio towers online.
Sad
Follow
imam...
me, my friend.
Oh. Villages. And trust me, they got some top-notch gear
Power
you're gonna
comes from
want.
the jungle, from the island. You must learn the terrain, know where to stand at all times. Vas uses the towers to map the island and to locate his men. Scramblers block access. Our people have no use for devices such as these. But you will learn valuable information from them. Yes, the scramblers are at the top. Each tower covers a limited area. Climb them all and you will reveal the entire map.
To je dobro, mani me čoč. Mogu sam da rešim radio tamo. Nije prvi put. Ne seri, mogu da pucam mete. Boom, bullseye. Boom, bullseye. Hej! Nema potrebe da se okrećeš. Upsi Daisy. Ja nemam nikakva kola. Ko stipsa čoveč. Moram da šetam do radio tower. Moram da prošetam čitavih 60 metara. Šta je ovo, druže? Kakva je ovo propaganda? Ja sam fasciniran. Kuda idem? Ne znam.
That must be the radio tower.
Čujem neko šašao muziku. Tako da će vjerovatno neko da me siluje. Ne seri zmije. Fuck. Okej. Op! Ne! Zmija od vrata me ujela. Dobro, mogu da skillujem. Na seriji, ali ima neki chest? Wow. Opa, $62, druže. Ima se, može se, samo bahato. Okej, tu mogu da ispadnem i da crknem. Tako da moram oprezno da idem. Evo imam ovdje merdevine. Onda opet stepenjice. I još stepenjica. I onda ovdje opet sve nešto pokrljano. I u Far Cry 4 isto poprilično pokrljano, ali ne znam baš da li je ovoliko pokrljano. Na Flexelu Far Cry 4 sam oslobodio čak 8 towera. Nije da flexujem malo, samo kažem. To je za 8 više od bake praseta. Wow, I just saved myself $150. Shoo! Evo je crkva. Borim se za Rakija Warriore. Mogu zipline? Mogu. Opa! Desi, Denise.
Nice ride, huh?
It's done.
Good. Show me a map.
Mislim da je zaboravio na to da
You
sam...
see, everything you need to know has been revealed by the radio tower. Shops, adventures. The island calls to you. And, like you, Jason, the shopkeepers are from the outside. They will use the radio towers to do business and reward you with weapons for every tower you free. A true warrior must hunt. It is the natural order of things. Look at the map. Select your hunting ground. Do not fear your instincts.
Daj dobro druže, selektovo sam.
Not nature.
Here.
Now, if you want to save your friends, you must know the jungle. Animal skins and leather will help you to carry many weapons and equipment. Plants can be mixed to create potent medicines that heal you, enhance your senses, and more. Go. Return to me once you have mastered the jungle.
What does that mean? What am I supposed to do?
Opa. Sad imam kola. Imam do... by the way, mislim da je zaboravio. Da sam... pokušao da ga upucam pre jedno. Nije druže prošlo ni 5 minuta. Igraj, tico! Ok, kasnije ćemo ga pucati kad budem imao više para da priuštim sebi municiju, svu tu koju trošim. Kako vozim? A, ok. Ne znam zašto, ali ovaj... u Far Cry 4 se vozi na R3. To je jako fascinantno. I još uvijek sam fasciniran. Ne, pardon, na L3. Na L3, izvinite. Moja greška. Ako uživate u ovom profesionalnom gameplayu... Aha, stigo sam. Ako uživate u ovom profesionalnom gameplayu, ostavite mi like na video i subscribeujte se za još. A ako je pregasan zvuk ili ako je pretih zvuk igrice, recite mi pa ću ja to pojačati za sljedeći put. Šta mi treba? Treba mi red leaf, green leaf, blue leaf i 2 divlje svinje. Ok, ovdje ima još jedan green leaf. Sad imam green leafove. Ali gdje bi mogo da nađem divlju svinju? Shit. Blue leaf uvek se nalazi u vodi u svakom Far Cry-u. Tako da to znam valjda gdje bi trebao da nađem. Joker playing cards, handgun ammo, nice. Ne seri. Nemoj da trčiš! Ajde sad bre! Ajde sad bre! Pokaži se jaki. Vidio sam ovdje onaj dijamant. Vrlo vjerovatno je na krovu. Piše ovdje nešto. A! Hehe. Dog meat. What the hell? Eno ga blue leaf. What the hell? Treba da ubijem 2 divlje svinje. Vidio sam ih obe, ali nijedno... Čujem. Koliko znam, divlje svinje su agresivne. Tako da kad me video ne bi trebalo da me napadnu.
Yes!
Ako.
I've got you.
Aaaa! Fuck. Šta fuck, ajde bre čuti majmun. Neću da reloadujem. Municija je jako bitan sastav igrice. Ali gdje je druga divlja svinja? Tamo negdje sam je vidio. Divlja svinjo. Gdje si? Op! Gle parkura. Ok, ja ne vidim divlju svinju. Negdje je pobegla. A ne, gdje bi moglo da bude tamo? Čuje mi. Ne! Ajde sada, majmune. Ej, šalio sam se. Popusti se! Druže, koja majmunčina.
Disgusting.
Gdje da craftujem? Fast travel. Oh! Da fast travel mogu. Let's go! Mogu neki novi pištoljić. Neću ammo handguns. Džabe damage. Pa druže, realno, taj mi je bolji. Taj je više balansiran. Ti izađi. Ja, ali što vam treba da pričam? Mogu da te... Ej! O, dobar dan, gospodična mlada. Sve će berete, dobro, vidjet ćemo se mi opet. A di treba ja da idem? O, dobar dan, gospodična mlada. To je moja devojka, majmune! Nemoj da te opalim jednom. Druga Denisa sam ti iz roku. Majmune jedan. Opa! Fuck? Okay. What the fuck?
Dennis, I've got the plants and animals.
Good. Then bend nature to your will. I will teach you.
Jao, dosta mi je učenja, drugo.
Now use the plants you found to craft 2 syringes.
Wow, ajde
Good.
se Maseo.
Jason, you may even find more powerful plants out in the woods, if you are lucky. Now, use the skins of the animals you killed to enlarge what you can carry. Crafting will allow you to carry more weapons, money, loot, and syringes. Yes. One last thing, the tattoo on your arm. It is a sign that you are special, that you have the soul of a warrior. You progressed along the path. Let me show you how to add to them. With each tattoo, a skill is mastered. You can choose to learn skills in 3 different areas. Now, I will teach you the takedown. It is done. As you become stronger, with each new skill you learn, the tattoo will grow. Choose another.
Ok, još jedan skill treba da naučim. Sprint slide, press krug while sprinting to slide along the ground. Cook grenades, hold to cook a grenade and let's go to throw. Don't let it explode in your hand. Gluposti. Granata ne može da vam eksplodira u rukama ni kada izvadite ono sranje, sve dok ne pustite ona dršku ono kao.
The tattoo.
Pozovim telefon.
Hey, Felipe! We are driving to the outpost near Amanaki. We have one of the Americans. Go, have some fun!
What the hell? Lisa!
Oh, shit!
We have to get her back.
Yes.
Come, follow.
Iskreno, ako se zoveš Felipe, nemaš pravo glasa, ništa da kažeš. No hate za ljude koji se zovu Felipe, ali hate za ljude koji se zovu Felipe. Mislim, imam ja Filipe s glavuđu u ovom Robloxu.
The outposts are strongholds found throughout Rook Island. Vasa's pirates hold them to control the surrounding area.
So we're heading into a fight?
Yes, a worthwhile one. Rescuing your friend will kill 2 pigs with 1 stone. We are at war with Vas. Taking outposts from the pirates is key to reclaiming the island. We conquer one for Rakija, the area becomes
Rakija, idemo!
This means faster travel for everyone, and new opportunities to develop your skills as a warrior.
Who's in the truck?
Rakiat warriors, the true Rakiat, who live at the heart of the island. The Tatau will help them to trust you.
Look, I appreciate your help, but I just want to save Lisa and my friends. My brother.
This is the only way to get them back alive. You escaped the slave camp. You survived. It is time to fight. We are all equal, Jason. The difference lies in those who do not act. That is the difference.
All right, let's do this.
Like you, I was once a stranger here. You are not alone, my friend. We will wait for you to begin the attack.
Druž, zašto ja?
Jason, my
Ma
friend.
to je propaganda, samo zato što sam bio. Prokleti crnici, znao sam da žele da mi nešto žive. Ok, treba da nađem nešto.